What? Are you gonna behave?
Why are you picking your
Did you hang up on Santa? Did you do it? Stop it, Mommy. Stop it. Don't go in anymore. No.
Are you gonna keep being bad?
No.
Are you all done?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be good?
Yeah.
Alright, what do you say?
What should I say?
What do you say when you've been bad?
I say sorry. I'm sorry, Mommy.
You better tell her don't call Santa anymore.
Don't call Santa anymore, okay?
Okay.
You're all wrong. You call Santa all the time.